Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys how I do my box braids and add the hair into my natural hair. And also how I blend my natural hair into the weave at the end of the braid. It's pretty simple, honestly, if you ask me. As you can see in the beginning of the video, you just put the weave around your real hair, twist it, and then start the braid. As you see, I'm braiding the hair down. I'm adding gel, edge control, whatever you want to use for my hair to keep my hair blended in with the weave, and so that way it's not sticking out. And this is just me finishing the braid. And when I'm done, I'm going to show you guys the whole braid so you guys can see the finished product. I hope you like, and I hope you come back for more videos.